how to make your visualization the most powerful. Do you feel when you visualize, or do you just create mental pictures? See, many people practice visualization techniques to attract success, to attract money, wealth, love, or any other thing that they desire in their lives. The visualization technique is so powerful that it has been used by many people for so many years to accomplish, to attract whatever they want in their lives. But most people fail to realize that visualization is much more than just creating the mental pictures. Usually people fail to add true feelings to their visualizations, which just stops them from achieving their goals. You see, when you realize that visualization with feelings is more powerful, and when you add the feelings, then it's a combination. This combination becomes more powerful. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you how to add feelings while you are visualizing your goals. Hello friends, my name is Sanjay Bhasin and I am an international success coach. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that you will never miss the opportunity of getting the notifications of what's coming up next in my channel. So let's get started. Now there is a need to add feelings to your visualization, right? And why it is so important for you to feel when you visualize. You need to realize this fact that when you combine feelings with the images created in your mind, then you are activating two senses instead of one. We all know what the law of attraction says. That is, like energy attracts the like energy. Have you ever wondered about how many thoughts come to your mind daily? You will be amazed to know that there are over 60,000 thoughts created in a human mind every day, and most of them are negative, while some are positive also. And one sure thing is that whatever thoughts you create in your mind, consciously or unconsciously, the same type of vibrations are created in your body and emitted out into the external world. So if you are thinking about negative things most of the time, then your vibrations will also be negative and you will pour out negativity into your external environment, into your external world. And don't forget that you will get the same thing that you will put out into this universe. And when you add positive feelings while doing visualizations, then you are affecting your thoughts. You are turning them into positive ones. And the more positive feelings you will create, the more positive vibrations you will emit out into this external world, into this universe. And you will attract only positivity into your life. Feelings give life to your mental pictures that you have created about your dreams, about your goals. And they make everything more real to your subconscious mind. They multiply the power of your visualization. So you must learn how to feel and what to feel when you are visualizing something. The first thing you need to do is to choose a specific goal that you want to achieve in your life. Let's say you want to make your business a global success. So you need to be very, very specific about your goal before you start visualizing. Then secondly, find a quiet and comfortable place and then close your eyes and take a deep breath. Now, before visualizing, we have to add some feelings to it, right? And to do that, we need something to activate our feelings. So the most powerful step, the third step, is to smile before you visualize. You see, when you smile, your brain releases some tiny molecules that help you to fight with stress. After this, other neurotransmitters such as serotonin, endorphins and dopamine also becomes active. So smiling before visualizing will not only change your facial features but also affect your mental state. And besides, it will also help you to delete all the clutter in your mind and add some positive thoughts, positive feelings as well as emotions. Now, this doesn't mean that you have to fake a smile. Be true to it. If you want to do the third step in another way, then you can create a slideshow and play it on the screen before closing your eyes. And your slideshow can include inspirational images, motivational quotes, pictures of various successful people, or any other positive things which you might think will be appropriate for you, or which could inspire you to achieve your goal. And this will automatically activate your positive feelings regarding the goal, regarding the dream you want in your life. Now, if you don't want to create a slideshow, you can simply download a motivational video with extremely inspiring taglines. All you need to do is to watch this video before visualizing. Besides, you can also play inspirational background music also before visualizing. You can add such music to your slideshow also. And all such tricks will definitely add feelings to your visualization and will help you to stay focused on your goal. But whatever you feel, just focus on it. Let it grow and allow that feeling to reach a peak. Allow that feeling to rush throughout your veins. By simply following these three steps, you can successfully add true feelings to your visualizations. You don't need to spend hours on this. Only 4-5 minutes of these tricks before visualizing are more than enough. And the most preferable time to do this is in the morning or in the night before going to bed. You can also add it with your meditation practice also. So why not to try this feeling based visualization technique from today and manifest what you want. Share your experiences with me in the comment section below. Thank you very much for your time.